In this guide, I'll show you how to unlink or disconnect your Ubisoft account from your Rainbow Six Siege account. So the first thing you want to do is open up a web browser and go to Google, and then in search you want to type in Ubisoft login and search. Then you want to scroll down on this page and go to login Ubisoft. Once you're here, you want to sign into your Ubisoft account with your email and password, or you can use one of these third-party platforms at the bottom. And once you're signed in, you want to select account information here, or you can select it on the left sidebar. Then you want to scroll down on this page until you see linked accounts, and here's where you're going to see all the different accounts linked to your Ubisoft account. So in this example, I'm going to unlink my Xbox account, but you can do this for PlayStation as well. So I'm going to go to unlink. Then it's going to ask if you want to unlink your account and you want to go to continue. And it's going to give you this warning here. And if you're okay with everything, you want to click on this checkbox down here and you can go to unlink. And now you can see my Xbox account's unlinked. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.